Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find your Facebook username and profile link. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. And from here, we need to go to our profile. You can click on the profile icon located beside what's on your mind. Now from here, I need you to click the three dots located beside the edit profile. And as you can see, at the very bottom, there is already the profile link. So that is your profile link. Now, in order for you to find your username, it is actually included on the profile link. It's after the facebook.com/. So my username is kawaii dot and my name. And that's it. That's how you find your Facebook username and profile link. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!